Today is the what of February, guys?
The 6th.
The 6th of February, and we have had absolutely record snowfall today. I am home today because my school was canceled, and Janet canceled her school this afternoon. However, Grant had school, unfortunately, but as you guys can see, it's still snowing like crazy, and they're predicting somewhere to the extent of 20 inches of snow in about a 24-hour period. Grant and Dylan are home. They're back, and they are playing their little video game this afternoon. And say hello to the camera, boys.
Hi.
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 Okay.